Minisita muviani wa useseei wa nthini Kipchumba Murkomen eweta kana musako muvyu niutwaiiw'e wa kukitana na syiko sya Ung'Ei ila ikuwetwa ta syikinyiite muno Musyini wa Ilovi. Murkomen eweta kana nimeuminana na ala meutwaite syiko ithi otondo manekanie na ikundi ya Panga Boys zila zina nyama sya enenthi Musyini wa Mombasa. Ingi iweta kana ala mekwikwania na syiko ithi muno ni syana ila ilandalanda mitaani na angi ni andu aima mekwitunga kana maina mawekano. Lina Musangi nukuelezea.
Minisita muviani wa useseei wa nthini nukuweta takianda kia OCS na maofisa ma useseei Musyini wa Ilovi kwikathiia muo oweta kana wetha vena vata wa kuongelela maofisa ma useseei muvia ota kwikathiia kiu.
Part of it is perpetrated by so-called street children. Organizing themselves in small groups with knives sometimes and attacking and suspecting citizens. I want to confirm to you that operation is ongoing and it will continue. It's a continuous issue. And part of the conversation we are having and we will have also here is that nothing should wait for a directive policy of national cabinet secretary or any other person. That is a daily responsibility of the OCS in the police station. That's what I was telling the OCSs today. Shouldn't wait for, unless a very unique challenge that has come out of, a particular issue. But things like theft, muggings, that is a daily responsibility of the police officers within the area. Operations going on.
Yingine umiseokani muvyu kuimboli lile sithete si utambaike muo mekutanoni ya wanda na mwana mekutanoni ya kiutati ile mbetani ya western na isio inge sianze iye Murkomen oweta matambe mavyu makimea otamekoswa.
Presence of goons that are causing havoc and violence in this county. Funerals are impossible to attend. People are not having peaceful environment to bury their loved ones. Political events are always violent and people are living in fear. Again, that multi-agency team shall do a massive crackdown on leaders of goons, regardless of their political affiliations, and all of them shall be arrested and taken to court. We will get rid of Bungoma of all these goons that have operated and abetted for many years.
Utaunu wetie muwota Uendee na utumani wesio mbingi konyoni sionze sianze
we want to see that anyone can operate in this country freely. And this culture of goons, and then they mutate, they become gangs, is something of great concern across the country. By and by, especially among the bigger counties in the country, you are witnessing presence of gangs and goons, and this is not acceptable. I promise you that we will do something. You will also hear a lot of noise here and there, but don't worry, it will be for the best interest of the people. Even when giving birth, sometimes it becomes very painful for the mother, and those who will feel pain, it's our intention is to get rid of hooliganism and violence in leadership.
Kuripoti ya Mauvo ni Lina Musangi.